For this activity, you'll need 6 pieces of blank paper, a pair of scissors, and a stapler. We're going to start first with 1 piece of paper, and we're going to fold it into a square. This is the first step that you would take when doing a smaller paper snowflake. Because we're doing so many pages and we're going to be sticking them together, that's what's going to make our snowflake so large. So let's get started cutting all of our paper into squares. Once you have all 6 triangles, you're going to cut them. You're not going to cut them like you would a normal snowflake with holes and such. What you're going to do is you're going to make 3 cuts on each side. When you cut them, make sure that you leave enough room in between them so that they stay connected. 3 cuts on one side and 3 cuts on the other. There, let's do that to the rest of our papers. Once you have your triangles cut, it's time to start gluing. You're going to start by opening it up and making a square again. When we do this, we're actually going to turn it so the cuts are down the sides. We're going to take the 2 inside pieces and we're going to curve them around and glue them together. Once those are stuck together, we're going to flip it over and have the next piece go the opposite way. Keep on flipping back and forth until all of your pieces are stuck together. This is going to be 1 piece of your snowflake. Make sure that you do all 6, and then we'll get started on the next piece. Once you have all the branches of your snowflake made, take 3 of them by the corner and match them up. With your stapler, carefully add a staple to the corner so that they all stay connected. Do that with the other 3 as well. Now you have 2 halves to your paper snowflake. The next piece is the tricky bit. You're going to take this corner and you're going to match them up and staple 1 more time. There's one last thing I'm going to do to help support the structure of my snowflake before I hang it up. Because it's so large, it doesn't fit under my camera very well, and it needs a little more support in its structure. What I'm going to do is take my stapler and find the part where the 2 branches connect. Then I'm going to put a staple right there. That's going to hold my snowflake into the correct shape. Here's our finished snowflake. I've hung mine on my door, but you could hang yours from the ceiling or another place. If you make a snowflake, you can send a picture of it to our teams on our Celebrations of Learning channel. I'd love to see what yours looks like.